How to fix ChatGPT credit issues. So if you're having credit issues such as credits disappearing, balance not updating, or not being able to purchase or use your credits, first you want to check your credit balance and usage, and you can do that by going to ChatGPT website and signing to your account. Now click on your profile, click on the settings, and then click on usage tab or panel from here. And in here, you should see your usage limit, including the weekly usage limit and your credits. And keep in mind that usage is consumed first, which is this one in the blue progress bar. And then once it's consumed, then it moves to using credits, which are only used after the limit is depleted. And if you're having issues with the credits not being displayed or lost, what you can do is try to do a hard refresh. Hold down Control, Shift, and press R, and it will reload the page and do a hard refresh. Now you can check back again to see if that solves the problem. And if it doesn't, what you can do is sign out of your ChatGPT account and then sign back in, or potentially use a different browser to sign back in, or you can use the incognito mode if the first one doesn't solve the problem. And the last thing you want to check is open up your profile icon here, click on settings, and then go to usage, and make sure to check the expiration on the purchased credits, because purchased ChatGPT credits are generally valid for a year or 12 months, and they do not roll over after they are expired. So if you kept your credits for a long time, they might have expired, and that's why they disappeared. But if you just purchased credits and they never appeared, or credits were deducted incorrectly based on your recent usage, that's probably a problem with the system that only OpenAI support can help you with. So what you can do is click on your profile logo here, go to Help and then Help Center, and make sure to click on the chat option here and describe your issue, and this will guide you through the support process and connect you with one of the customer support from OpenAI to help you with the problem. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.